Today we are highlighting SchureMed's Schure Loc XPS. The Schure Loc XPS is an extremity positioning system, providing rigid fixation as well as an unlimited intraoperative range of motion for total shoulder replacement, shoulder arthroscopy, and rotator cuff surgeries. We also offer several attachments for knee, elbow, and wrist surgeries. The Schure Loc XPS easily attaches to any OR surgical table. Simply hook the table clamp to the OR tableside rail and secure by tightening the star knob to the rail. SchureMed's disposable Schure Loc XPS sterile kit includes a sterile drape, forearm wrap, and Coban. After connecting the forearm attachment, line the attachment with the sterile liner and wrap the forearm with Coban. The Schure Loc XPS has a single lever which releases all 6 joints so that the limb may be easily secured in an unlimited number of positions, relocking instantly when the lever is released. Forearm attachment can be disconnected to allow the surgeon to move the arm throughout its natural range of motion, and can then be reconnected to the positioner. The Schure Loc XPS has a 500-pound patient weight capacity and comes standard with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. At SchureMed, we are designing and building the future of patient positioning.